Haven't seen anything like this, I don't think, in the, how long have we been here? 2010?
2010, it has not been like this.
Yeah, I was coming in at about 30 and I hit a little patch of ice over there. Oh. Yep. Whenever, go ahead, go ahead. There we go. If I told you right now that I was standing less than 10 miles from the coast of the Atlantic, you'd tell me I was crazy, especially if I told you I was in North Carolina right now. But nope, here we are near Maysville, North Carolina, and it is a pure snow globe, winter wonderland with a lot of snow falling. The wind's even picked up a little bit, so a lot of our visibility is near zero in certain spots. I'm gonna flip the camera here. Look at the snow accumulation. We are talking lots of inches, probably 4, possibly even 4.5 inches of fresh powder here north of Maysville, and it is not stopping anytime soon.
Plow this up a bit.
I'm gonna check on this guy right here. Are you all good?
No, sir. Tow truck right now.
Copy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. But you're good? Like you're okay?
I personally am okay.
Okay.
Financially, you know.
Oh, I get that. Yeah, you're buried in there, aren't you?
Yeah, I mean, if you got a tow strap or something.
Yeah, we can probably. Did you want to give this guy an attempt, maybe? I'm standing here in Greenville, North Carolina, where conditions have completely deteriorated. We are here at the Speedway gas station. You can see the snow is just flying. The winds are blowing it. We do have blizzard conditions across much of Greenville, and a lot of people are getting stuck on the roadways. It is a good idea to go home and stay warm and get off the roads because conditions are just getting significantly worse throughout this event.
Go ahead, Jordan.
Yep. Whenever, go ahead, go ahead. There we go. That's how you do it.
Gotta let them tires eat.
You got to.
Hey, we'll come help ya. We'll be over there.
Oh, you need help too?
Trying to get out of the parking lot.
Sweet, we'll go get him. I'm gonna go help push. Oh, you got it. I was coming to help. Yeah, no problem.
You a king, bro.
Stay on the road. No problem. I could try to help push you.
Oh, really?
I could try.
Thank you.
It's the least I can do. If you can get a little momentum forward. Let her rip.
You don't mind?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Have them back up just slightly.
Hey, back up a little bit.
About a half, like 4 inches.
Back up a little bit.
There you go. Just enough to get her to go forward, and then we can give her a good push. Okay, go forward now. Nice and easy. Let her rip.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, she said you could just give her a push out. Nice and easy. You're good. You'll feel it. All right.
I'll just get a slight nudge. I'll just see if I get it.
Yeah, you're good. You're right on it. There you go.
Just give it gas and keep going. Oh, you got it.
Oh, we got it.
Oh, yeah, he's there.
Hey! Are you good? Okay.
Freaking chicks wearing a light jacket and like thin yoga pants. That